Auto Skills Online is a training portal for automotive professionals, students, and enthusiasts. They can easily network, share knowledge, and upgrade themselves. The only mission of autoskills.online is to help students with training modules for free or at very low cost, and also provide assistance from the automotive corporate sector. Isn't that amazing? Wonderful. So let's get started. But before starting the session, before going ahead in the launch, we have a short recorded message by someone very special. He is not available with us online because of a prior commitment, but has sent us a beautiful video message.
Congratulate all the dignitaries who have been giants in the auto world. Thank you very much, Roy Dias, for organizing the whole thing, and do give my best wishes and greetings to all those connected with this program.
So now, let me welcome the man behind autoskills.online. He will initiate the launch of autoskills.online, and he is also a founder and director of AutoSkills India, Special Executive Officer for Government of Maharashtra. So please welcome Mr. Roy Dias, sir.
So good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and all the esteemed speakers we have here today. Happy Independence Day, and thank you for coming here to launch our website. Today is a day of freedom for India. And this day we have chosen specially because it is our concept to give freedom, freedom to teach and freedom to learn. What you can see on screen is the antique car, the modern new car which is there. In between these two cars is the whole auto world. In our website, we have a special section called the auto world, where all these industries are shown, displayed, and we have tried to get into details there. You know, Kulkarni sir and me, we started the auto skills about 5 years ago with the intention to give back to the industry and teach what we have learned and how to move up faster. Okay, this is my quote. What are the two things we take with us when we die? Everybody says we don't take anything, but we take two things with us. We take our knowledge and we take our skill sets. We can't leave that behind on earth. We will help you to leave your knowledge and leave your skill sets. These two things, what we will offer you at Auto Skills Online is the freedom. I would like to call my co-founders here with me, Dr. Praveen Kulkarni and Yashraj, and we will now launch the website. This is the countdown. So I want you to give me a thumbs up. Now take this thumb and put it on that button.
That's on the
You see
button,
there?
Mr. Thumb.
Come on, I want to see your thumb on my camera. Come on, guys, move it. Move it. Yeah, I can see a thumb coming there. There.
Now it's time for the man who converted idea into reality. He is the creator of this website portal, so he will give us a live demo and show us the feature of this web portal.
With auto skills, anybody can learn. Students who wants to pursue the career into the automobiles, professionals who wants to upgrade their knowledge, expand their network, and looking for mentors. Auto enthusiasts who would also learn detailing of the automobiles of experienced professionals to become the trainer. We'll move to the next section about the training. The training is members only access to learn through knowledge streams. Here we are on the training page. We show several topics which we are covering. So the interested ones will surely get all the benefits of the site content and knowledge. The training is through live sessions. The one who is registered but can't attend the online can join and learn through the whole session in free time. We have provision of dedicated Q&A session. Let me go to a topic page where I can show you this. I'll go to first topic, and here we are. We have the pointers, we have the title, we have the description, we have the training video. Okay, so we have a provision of dedicated Q&A session. There will be a couple of days in between the learning session and the Q&A session. So each individual can go through the knowledge pointers, gather enough courage to ask questions. Most of the time, attendees hesitate to ask questions in live session. Once all confusions are cleared, we have the assignment time. In a day or two, we'll launch the assignment, which everybody will submit. We will make sure the assignment is based on the knowledge which they have learned, plus the real life practical scenarios to tackle the real life automotive challenges. In the completion, we will distribute the certificates, which makes those individuals eligible for their future journey through our network called Auto World, where you will find direct connect for the jobs and opportunities with manufacturers, testing labs, service workshops, dealers, and more. So here I present the Auto World section, where you will see OEM manufacturers, dealers, vendors, auto professionals, lubricants, institutions, accessories, spare part, insurance, and all the connected contacts of these sections. This is how the model is going to function to create an industry ready, or I would say to create a ready to deploy workforce for automobile industry.
Now we have a list of esteemed speakers and dignitaries. So let me welcome our first speaker. He's a Chancellor of Tilak Maharashtra Vidyapith, Pune. So please welcome Dr. S.G. Bapat, sir.
I must say that organizers have not only insight, but they have a foresight. Because auto industry, the way it is growing at a very fast rate, the technology also is changing very fast. And to keep track with that, auto industry requires people who have got good technical skills. And auto skills is trying its best to reach people and give them training on this through video and all. It's a very, very laudable effort. All the best to you. Congratulations.
So now, our second guest and speaker, the person who is going to share this, she is the director of RIT.
So let me first of all congratulate AutoSkills, all the team members for taking this great initiative, because we all talk about it. We all talk about the gap. We all talk that the students are unemployable. So on a lot of industry forums, this is being discussed. But it's a really positive step to think that how we can train our students. And I'm very sure this will help the students to become employable and the industries to get a candidate which can directly be put to the work right from the first day.
He is a senior deputy director, head HR management at the Dean of ARAI Pune.
This is a very apt initiative of Auto Skills, and I most heartily congratulate all the Auto Skills team, especially Roy Dias sir, as well as Dr. Praveen Kulkarni and his team. A very good exposure to various advanced technology projects such as electric vehicle, even hybrid vehicle development, battery management, all these upcoming technologies, they have a very good opportunity to get into that.
Director of Toyota Lakosi Auto Private Limited.
All the dealerships are looking for people, but then every time you get somebody new in, you got to spend a lot of time and effort and money to train them for a number of months before they're actually ready to work on a vehicle on their own.
So please welcome our next speaker, Dr. S.R. Kumar, sir.
Automotive industry, it is the industry of industries, and the scope for this, as far as opportunities, that is job opportunities are considered, the huge scope is there. And to grab that opportunities, this Auto Skills Online will definitely work as another, that is open another door to the auto enthusiasts and the students, with the help of which they will try to get the good job.
He is the founder and director of Auto Institute. Please welcome Dr. Patanwala MZ, sir.
I do believe this portal act as a catalyst to student community for industry connect. That is what Mr. Roy, Dr. Praveen, and the entire team has done such a wonderful work. This is a wonderful platform, and I go through this platform right now. As Mr. Yasraj has shown, it's very. I do say it is very wonderfully designed.
He is the CEO and founder of AutoClues, professor at RIT College, and also a co-founder of Auto Skill India.
Dealers, they don't want to take any freshers.
Like, they want always experienced guys. We know that it is very difficult to get experienced guys. Job follows experience or experience follows job. This is really going to be a tough task, but dealers somehow they don't prefer freshers. They prefer only, experienced guys.
For students, the membership will be free, where you will get free WhatsApp consultation for 1 year. Certificate after the completion of the course, you will going to get e-certificate as a PDF file.
I would like to thank and say thank you very much.
Thank you.
Good night.
Thank you.
And
Thank you.
thank you for your time.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Kumar sir.
Thank you, Roy Dai sir. Thank you, Praveen
Yes,
sir.